Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some rainbow pony beads. I'm going to be using these, but you can use any round bead that you have. You're also going to need scissors, a lighter, and I have a couple of feet of string here. And we're going to start with our two ends. You're going to put on one of your circle beads, a purple pony bead, and another circle bead. Put these ends together and let these beads come to the middle. Okay, on this side, side we're going to put on 4 pink beads. Okay, set that over there. And then on this side we're going to put on 4 purple. You're going to grab both ends and try to make the strings even on both sides. This is what it looks like. We'll flip this over. What you're going to do is take this string and we're going to go through this pink bead. So you're making a loop. Okay, we're going to do the same thing on the other side with the purple. So it looks like this. Okay, now you're going to take a circle, and that's going to go on both sides of the string. Then you will take a pink, and this bead we're going to have the strings cross through. That's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to take a circle bead on both sides. On this side, we're going to add 4 orange. The other side, 4 pink. Now we're going to make another loop. So you're going to go through this pink. Same thing on this side. Okay, so this is going to be loose. Now you need to hold both of these. And then you grab this bead here and then just pull. Well, you have to pull this string and this one at the same time to tighten it up. So same thing on this side. Hold this string and this bead and then pull down just to tighten it up a little bit. So that's what it looks like. Now we're going to add a circle on both sides. We're going to get an orange. This bead will cross the strings. Pull those down. You're going to add a circle on both sides. We're going to add 4 yellow on that side, and then 4 orange on this side. Okay, and now we need to make a loop on both sides. So we're going to take this string and go through this bead. If you want to, you could just tighten this right here. We need to make a loop on this side. You're going to add a circle on both sides. Going to grab a yellow. The strings will cross. You're going to add a circle on both sides. On this side, we're going to add 4 green. This side, we're going to add 4 yellow. We're going to make a loop on both sides. So the string will go through this green. This side, we're going to go through this yellow. We're going to add a circle bead on both sides. We're going to add a green. The strings will cross over. And then we're going to add a circle on both sides. We're going to add 4 green on this side. Four blue on this side. Make a loop on both sides. Okay, we're going to add a circle bead on both sides. Blue, the strings will cross. Circle on both. And 4 purple on this side. And 4 blue on this side. Make a loop. Make a loop over here. Okay, we're going to add a circle on both, and then purple, we'll cross these over. And now we're back where we started with the purple here. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat this one more time, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, this is what it looks like after I have my 2 sets of rainbow. I will say this isn't a larger size cuff, so if you have small arms or you're not going to wear this up on your arm, high up on your arm, I would remove a color or 2. So at the end here, I added my last circle beads, and now what we need to do is attach these. So this string will go across this purple bead, and this one will go across this one. Okay, and then you're going to pull both, and that's what it looks like. Now what we need to do is take our string and go through this bead, and this bead. So might be a little tight fit here. I try to pull the string really tight so there's enough room. There we go. Yeah, so now we're going to go through this purple and this one. Now we need to do the same thing on the other side. Go through this bead and then these 2. Okay, you're going to pull that tight. And this is what it looks like. You got your strings coming out of these beads here. So to connect this, you're going to put on 2 of the circle beads. And you're going to go through this bead sticking out for each color. So we're just adding 2 beads and then going through the middle bead. Adding 2 and going through this bead. And that's what it looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and do that all the way around. And then I'm going to do that all the way around on this side. And I'll show you how to tie it. Okay, I'm at the end here. I already tied this side off. I tied right after this purple bead. So on this side, we're going to go through this blue and we'll tie it here. Make sure you pull this pretty tight. And like I said before, this is a pretty large cuff. So if you have small arms, please take off at least 1 or 2 colors. But if you're wearing candy sleeves, then it won't matter. The higher the candy, the better. But this is what it looks like. And this is one of those projects where, you know, I had the vision in my mind, but this like turned out way better than I planned. I think it's pretty fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.